Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Hringa.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for CastrolInd. CastrolInd is the ticker name, and right now you are watching the monthly technical chart of CastrolInd. You can see here the historical price chart of CastrolInd along with a few technical indicator charts like RSI, MACD, momentum, ADX, and money flow. If you look at the price trend path pattern of CastrolInd, here after you can clearly see after January 1st 2008 this stock started moving in the upward direction and consistently making new highs, first high, second high, third high, fourth high. Okay, and during the fourth high this stock reached its peak price 541, and this was in December 2014. After today it is 2017 November 6th, and after December 2014 this stock started moving in a downward direction and consistently making new lows. Okay, first low, second low, third low, and this is the fourth low. If you keep the crosshairs here, you can clearly see actually the line is not touching this line. This line is not touching the this base, right? This low is a little bit deeper than this low. Okay, consistently it is making new lows. Nowadays in the last 2 years this stock is not making new highs, but consistently making new lows. That means the stock is slowly coming down. The price of the stock is coming down, and today the stock is trading at 419 rupees 60 paise. Though there are ups and downs, there are the highs and lows, all these things are there, but still the stock is not in a good shape. If you look at from through the big picture, the point is like the technical indicators, even the technical indicators are supporting this kind of this point. Right now the stock is going down, and this is not the right moment for the stock to be considered for long-term investment. And the stock has recently crossed its 50-day moving average, and 20-day also just crossed. Okay, it's a 20-day moving average also, and it is right now under the influence of a positive super trend mode. Very good. And look at the RSI. Now we look at the other technical indicators and see actually what that getting. What sort of getting points they are throwing at us. Look at the RSI here. 2011 onwards up to 2017, most of the movement of the RSI is in the sideway, and above the it is on both the sides of the midpoint, actually both sides of the midpoint. And today recently this RSI is just crossed at the midpoint and is looking towards the 80 line, but the strength is not that much. Okay, and look at the MACD. It's a clear signal that the red line is on top of the signal line, and histogram bars are operating below the baseline. And look at the momentum, and the momentum is graph is literally playing below the baseline, and you can clearly see that it is the stock is lack of momentum right now. And look at the ADX direction strength of the stock is crashing down, and there's both the green line and red line are converging, and now the red line is on top of the green line, and which indicates a negative signal. Look at the money flow. Money flow is again crashing down. So all these points indicate that actually they are in sync with the downfall of the price here, downfall of the stock price here. All these points are in sync with the downfall of the stock price. But this stock has been in the news for occasionally there are blips, like you can see these green candles here and there. Okay, this stock has been in the news for such kind of things, where whenever that price rise is happening, so it comes in the first top 10 stocks that has been rising on that particular day, such kind of stuff. But overall, if you look at the big picture of the stock, it is going down. It is it never, last 2 years it didn't even made an attempt to cross its previous price, and the stock is lacking strength, direction, and momentum. All these three are lacking. The stock is lacking at the moment. So unless there is a change, unless some change happens in all this for all these three parameters, then we can expect some we can consider this stock for long term investment. Until then, we cannot consider this thing for long term investment, but you can do short term trading in this stock. That is the I mean, that's what you can do. There's a maximum. I mean, you can use this stock for short-term trading, not for long-term investment. So that is the analysis for the stock. Okay, guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.